Hi beauties and happy Monday. Today I'm super excited because I am doing my July 4th inspired hair. Textured ponytails are really coming back and I'm super excited about that because I'm all about texture and volume. Today I did add in 2 rows of clip-in extensions and I used the brand LUXY. LUXY Hair has been amazing. I used these for my wedding when I did a half-back hairstyle. I have very long hair naturally, but I just do this to add a little bit more volume to my hair. If you are somebody that has super thin hair and you're trying to achieve this big textured ponytail, it's not going to happen unless you do have some extensions that you can add into the hair. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on how to put in clip-in extensions, please comment below and I can definitely do that for you. The first ponytail is going to have some volume up at the top and it's going to be high up on my head, so I will begin showing you how to do that now. First, I'm going to begin by just spraying my roots with a little bit of dry shampoo. This is the Udry Clear. And I'm going to use my teasing comb to just add a little bit of volume up at the top. And then just use your comb to kind of smooth out that tease. So the first part here is I'm going to take this little section and just bobby pin it right up at the top to give it a little bit of a bump. Then you can just kind of take it and piece it apart and see how you want it. The next part I'm going to do is just bring my hair up into a ponytail. And then I'm just going to decide where I want the ponytail to lay and then just secure that with a hair tie. And then just pinch and pull up at the top. Just add in any fun accessories that you want to use. Because it is 4th of July this weekend, I am going to use a little scrunchie. If you don't have a hair accessory, one of the tricks to hide a ponytail is to take a little chunk of your ponytail and wrap it around the ponytail, so it almost hides it and it gives it just more of that texture. I'm going to use this cute little star blue scrunchie for the top. And then you just kind of can position the bow however you want. And the last part of a textured ponytail is using a little bit of texture spray. And if you like pieces down, just kind of pinch and pull some pieces out around your face to give it a little bit more texture. And this is ponytail number 1. Now I'm just jumping a few steps forward with this next ponytail. I'm going to be doing a mohawk braid down the center. So I went ahead and made a little mohawk section right in the front center, and I'm just going to clip the rest of my hair back so it's out of the way. Then I will take this little section down and I'm just going to go ahead and do a 3-strand Dutch braid. The difference between a Dutch braid is it sticks out. If you don't know how to do that, it still looks just as pretty as a regular 3-stranded French braid. So I'm going to go ahead and just make a little section right here at the top and just start by making a 3-stranded French Dutch braid. And I'm just going to use a little elastic to just tie it off right at the top. Now I have my inverted Dutch braid. I'm going to go ahead and just pancake the braid, and that means just pull it apart to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to go ahead and take out the rest of my hair and start making my high ponytail. Quick little trick, I'm going to use one of these BUNGEE hair ties. This really helps get the ponytail to stay in. So you can find these at Ulta, you can find them on Amazon. They just make the ponytail last all day. So I'm gonna change it up and do this little red and white striped scrunchie. And And if you like it to be a little bit more voluminous up at the top, you can take those pieces up to the top and then just back comb them. And this is ponytail number 2. And I'm going to do one more ponytail. It is a lower ponytail. So I'm going to start by putting my part over a little further so that I can get a bigger braid on this side. And then I'm actually going to add in just one little extension, just a tiny little row. And this is just gonna help give the fullness to my braid. And for this one, I'm just gonna do a regular French braid. And I'm doing it very loose. I'm not really making it a tight French braid. The trick with these side braids is to keep braiding back so that you can see if any hair is too loose, it's going to bubble up. So just braid it kind of backwards, not straight down. And then once you get to about here, you're gonna just continue doing a 3-strand braid. You're gonna stop adding hair in. I'm gonna go about almost all the way down. I still have some hair down there. This is just a little trick I will show you later on. If necessary, you can go ahead in and pancake your braid if you want it a little fuller. So now the braid looks super thick and voluminous. So then if you do like a little volume up at the top, you can put some dry shampoo up there and then just back comb it slightly. You can decide where you want your ponytail to lay. I want mine to lay a little bit more centered, and I do like my ears to be covered slightly. So I'm going to just kind of droop the braid over my ear and then just droop some of my hair down over my ear. And then as you can see now, I made that little braid in the front, so the braid looks super small in the back, so I'm going to take out this hair tie. And then what I like to do is kind of see where my braid meets the hair tie, and I'm just going to braid a little section so the braid looks much fuller in the ponytail. And again, I'm just doing a regular 3-stranded braid here. And then to make it a little fuller, just pancake the braid. And then that just makes the braid look so much fuller in the ponytail and not just a little nub. So now that my braid is in there, I'm gonna go and just piece some pieces up at the top. And then again, you can either wrap a piece of hair around the ponytail holder, or you can use a little scrunchie to cover up your ponytail. And this is ponytail number 3. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for my 4th of July inspired hair. If you guys wanted to see something that I didn't touch base on, please comment below. I love to hear your feedback. Also, I will be putting a description of all the products I used down in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. That bell helps you know when I post my latest video, which is every Monday at 2 o'clock forever. Thank you guys. Bye!